Hello everyone, good morning to all, and welcome back to my English practice blog. So, friends, today I came again and uh, recording video outside of my room. You can say this is my open terrace, and I am shooting a video from this location. This location is same like previous video. Uh, I shooting I shoot previous video from this location. So friends, today in this video I am going to uh, tell you something happened in our hostel last night. So friends, in my hostel since some days continue HPL Hostel Premier League, and in this HPL different types of games are continue. Games are playing by the student. But yesterday happened unfortunately. So friends, right now I came in my room because few minutes ago I shooting this video from the outside of my room, but right now I came in my room because outside on the terrace some people are coming, and so I did not comfortable for that terrace. So right now I came in my room and here shooting video. So let me tell you friends, today in this video I am going to tell you what happening in my hostel in last night. So friends, I in my hostel since some days going to HPL means Hostel Premier League, and in this HPL lot of students are participate, and there are different types of games are playing in this HPL like football, table tennis, badminton, volleyball, that type of game are playing in this HPL. So yesterday is final of this HPL, but unfortunately between the second year and third year students conflict, and after sometimes he is a very seriously conflict. So unfortunately both are fight and some people are injured. So last night this moment comes two times. So at night two times come police in my hostel. Okay, so involved people are arrested, and those people are going to arrest by the police. But today morning is everything is clear, everything is good. Friends, today is Monday, so we have uh, today class. So we have to go to college, and today I woke up late morning like 5:40 in the morning. I woke up, and after that I go to freshen up and taking bath, and after that I recording videos. So today recording videos so late because it is 7 o'clock. So I every morning recording videos before 7 o'clock, like 6:30 or 6:50 in the morning. But today I shooting videos a few late because I woke up late morning. Okay, so friends, I am practicing English every day in front of camera and different type of topic. This is good things if you want to improve your English. So this method is very helpful to improve your English. uh, when I started this journey, so that time I am not speaking any type of single sentence. Not, I'm not. I cannot able to speak English, but right now I can able to speaking different topic. I am able to uh, speak English about anything. Okay. I know I am not perfect English, but just I try to speak. Okay, so if you want to improve your English, so you can learn together, and this journey make successful uh, together. So you can connect me and subscribe my channel and follow technique like me. I am every day reading 4 to 5 pages English book every single day, and every single day practice in front of camera different types of topic, like today another topic, tomorrow another topic, different types of topic every day. Think in your mind and speak. Doesn't matter you speak well and good or not, just you try to speak, then gradually improvement ourselves. Like me, I feel gradually improvement ourselves. I started English journey since 5 months ago, but that time from that time and today clearly different. That time I right now I also sometimes I forget word when I coming in front of camera. So that time first I think what I will be speaking in front of camera, but uh, select a topic and slowly slowly conversation start. Okay, so this method is really good to improve English, and practice is make man perfect. So this line is always remember: more practice and more perfection. Perfection comes with practice, not thinking. Thinking is not Thinking is good, but overthinking is very bad. So think and do, not only think. Whatever you think, so you can try to do it, not only think. Thinking is not better, doing is better. So before after thinking, you try to do whatever you think. So that's all technique to improve ourselves. Friends, let me show you my room. So as you know, I am final year student, so I have allocate a single room, and before final year every student leave one in one room 3 student, but you go to final year student, so you have allocate one single room. Okay, so let me show you my room. Friends, this is my room, and here my cloth line, and some clothes are keeping here, and here my ID card and some clothes are keeping, and this is my study table. Here you can see this is my laptop, and there are all things of our study material, and this is my book, my favorite book. This book is everyday reading 5 page. Attitude is everything. Jeff Killer writer. Okay, so if you want to reading English book, so you can purchase this book. This is a good book for beginner, and this is my bed. This is my bed. That's all my room. So that's all about in this video, guys, and I hope you this video is helpful to your learning English journey. So, and if you want to learn English like me, so start learning from today. Not think only I will start after 2 week, after 1 week. This is wrong way. If you want to learning, so you will have to start from today, because you don't have so much time. Start today and learning gradually improvement yourself like me. So friends, how feel this video? So please tell me in comment box, and I hope this video is helpful in your learning. So please like, share and support me. Your support is very helpful and very motivated for me. So don't forget subscribe my channel. So please subscribe and like, share. Okay, I target in this video 5 subscriber, at least 5 subscriber. So please don't forget subscribe. So thanks for watching this video till end. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing every single day. Take care. Bye bye.